My name is Micha de Bok. I am the representative of the gatekeeper of New Horizons. Once you enter the festival, you make your way down to Capital Park and enter through the gates, the Kingdom of Fire. You'll be embraced by these big fortress walls of the castle. Kingdom of Fire will host also a lot of 3D elements combined with fabrics and printed materials, and of course we have a shitload of visuals and fireworks, of course. To see it come together is always a nice process, because you start with a single stroke of a pen and a concept and a mood board, and along the way you develop the concept and it turns out into a 3D render, a model, a mock-up. When we first got the call that the three big headliners were confirmed, Major Lazer, Martin Garrix and Don Diablo, with their own show, we scratched ourselves behind the back and we were like, okay, we have to make this work and see how it fits into the structure we've come up with. So we did some tweaking and a lot of consultations with our technical department. And yeah, in the end we'll see it live and booming at the festival.